If you look at the background on which electoral bonds was introduced, it was introduced in 2017, just after some time about demonetization and when the topic of GST was looming around the corner. That was the time when electoral bonds was pushed through as a money bill. Now, as a money bill, as I understand, it's going via Article 110 of the Indian Constitution. But Supreme Court, in this electoral bond judgment, has categorically said that they are not going to address this issue in this judgment. It is being considered on another judge in a 7-judge bench of Roger Matthew case, which is being examined right now. But having said that, my cursory reading of Article 110 of the Indian Constitution, which is in the screen. So, what does a money bill say? Is that it's imposition, abolition, remission, alteration, and regulation of any tax. As far as I can understand, electoral bonds is not a tax. It's a kind of voluntary donation that is being called for. So it doesn't fit into the criteria of money bill at all. And going to the another limb of B is relating to consolidated funds and amendment of the law with the financial obligation undertaken by the government of India and things like it. Electoral bonds doesn't fit in either. And then the custody of the consolidated fund or the contingency fund of India, the payment of the monies into and withdrawal of monies from such fund. Electoral bonds doesn't fit in here either. Then the appropriation of monies out of the consolidation fund of India. Now, so if you can see the other limbs, I don't know, electoral bonds doesn't fit into any of the schemes as outlined in Article 110 of the Constitution to navigate it as a money bill. Nevertheless, what we can understand by this scheme is Government of India of the day, right, is competent enough to illegally design a law and challenging litigants to approach Supreme Court. It's a challenge on the rest of the public so that they can go to court and challenge if it is a money bill or not. Otherwise, they are well competent enough to know that it doesn't fill out any of the criteria of the money bill.